Hi all, Carrie with King Concoctions here, back to make more cold processed soap on the third day of Soapmas. Don't forget the description box has all the supplies I use, my social media accounts, and a way for you to support my channel if you like my videos. Also, hey, maybe subscribe and leave me a comment. I'd love to know what you thought. Let's get making soap. Okay, next on the list is fruit slices. It smells lovely. I love this. Using 3 colors in pretty much equal proportions. This mimosa yellow crystal mica from Nurture Soap. It's a orangey yellow. Really red mica, and then new leaf mica, all from Nurture Soap. Okay, I'm setting my live water with a little bit of sodium lactate to my oil. I'm buzzing it up. Like before, I am going to add my fragrance oil to my uncolored section first. I would buy a bigger bottle of this. I really, really like this fragrance. I like the fruity fragrances anyways, but... Alright, bringing in my colors. Just been mixed with about a tablespoon of my oils from my patch. Just kind of eyeballing it here. It's one of the reasons I use a clear container, clear cups for my my oils, or rather my colors, so that I would be able to see from the side how high I have them. Now to just mix them up. I had some leakage. I did try to clean it up just a tad. Okay, these are a little thicker, so I'm just going to start pouring them in layers. And I have a hanger tool here. I'm just going to run it up and down a couple of times. Whoops, whoops, whoops. I had a feeling that was going to happen. And again, just going to make the top look nice. Alright, we're over halfway done at this point. The next one is the fruit slices bar loaf. I still really, really love how this smells. Still smells very fruity. Yay! Kind of reminds me of my autumn leaves soap that I just made. This one I believe I did a hanger swirl with. But you can't really tell. It looks just like a drop swirl. Sorry for the weird lighting today. Came up with what I thought was a good solution, but it doesn't seem to be working very well for the cutting at least. These really have a lot of character to them for being such tiny bars. I think that one's my favorite one. And this is the final one. And my little cut end. And that's the Fruit Slices soap. I'm totally going to buy more of this fragrance oil. As you no doubt gathered probably by now, I made all these videos on the same day. And that was like 5 hours of soaping, which I don't recommend as a new soaper. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you tomorrow.